If you need to know about business verification on Amazon, then this video is for you. Okay, Amazon sellers, so roughly 2 years or so ago, Amazon expanded the business verification process from brand new sellers to all sellers. It was part of the change of the TOS, the terms of service, that Amazon imposes upon every single Amazon seller, and what Amazon reserves the right to continuously change and impose upon you. So back in the day, business verification was solely for brand new sellers. You created your Amazon sellers account, Amazon would reach out to you for documentation, and you had to make sure that everything you submitted to Amazon matched up. Now, from time to time, Amazon will send that same notice to experienced or long-term sellers and demand the same thing. We want to see your documents. You got to verify who you are. So we generally don't accept this type of case because I don't feel that we add much value to helping you. So I want to teach you how to help yourself. Whatever documents you're going to submit to Amazon, be it a phone bill, a lease, a utility bill, your business license, your authorization letter to sell, you need to print them all out, like go totally old school. Print out every single document you're going to submit to Amazon. And this is what you're looking for. You want to make sure that all the information on all of the documents match exactly as possible. So if I was submitting documents to Amazon, I'd want to make sure that every single document had the same address. If one document has the letter E for East and another has it spelled out, that might spark a problem, as ridiculous as that may seem. If someone has Park Street versus Park Avenue, that's a discrepancy that Amazon's algorithms might pick out. If I have an email address, I want the email address, cj@amazonsellerslawyer.com, to be the exact same. Have I had multiple phone numbers over the years? Of course I have. But I want any document submitted to Amazon to have the same address, same name, same phone number, same email address as much as possible. And this is why you need to circle on back, print out every document, look at every document with a fine-tooth comb, make sure all of your information matches exactly before you send it to Amazon.